So today we're going to take a look at linking the ad200 with the X Pro Controller. First thing you want to do, get your battery charged up, get your light turned on, and then go ahead and get your controller turned on as well. And most of the time your light is going to default to channel 21, Group A. Sometimes they'll be on different, but that's typically what the default is coming out of the box from Godox. Your controller is typically on channel 1 and Group A will be activated there as well. So the key here is going to be getting both items on the same channel so that they can work together. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change the channel on both of them. I like to shoot at a higher numbered channel simply because there are so many other 2.4 gigahertz objects that operate on the frequencies that are typically found between channels 1 through 12, and sometimes those can give us some interference. So let's go ahead and go to, let's say, channel 27, just for the heck of it. If you look at your light here, up here you've got the group and channel showing at this button right here. So if you want to change the group, you just tap that button and you notice the group changes. So let's go back to Group A. Now we want to change the channel. So we're going to press and hold this for about 2 seconds. And then that starts flashing right there. And you'll use your little wheel right here to rotate through the channels. Like I said, we're going to go up, we're going to go to channel 27. Boom, there we are right there. So let's go ahead and press the set button in the middle, and that'll lock that in there. So now we're on channel 27 in Group A. Now we've got to get our controller there. Look on the bottom left, you'll see where it says ZM/CH, that stands for zoom and channel. And the second portion of that, the channel, is what you get to when you press and hold the button. If you just tap it, notice the zoom pops up, hit that again, it goes away. Press and hold it for a couple of seconds, then your channel highlights. You're going to rotate that wheel again. You're going to go on up here. You're going to go to channel 27 and lock that in. And now, you couldn't see it, but I hit this little button right here. It flashed and it changed the power output to match what's on the controller. Now if I want to change the power output, I just tap the group that corresponds with it. I'll adjust that up, and if you notice, it changes on the light as I make those adjustments on the controller. And I'll just lock it in. Now if I want to do a second light and I want to activate it on Group B, I'll just tap that Group B button, come down here, hit the mode button. That pops me into TTL on the first press of the button. Press it again, it takes me to Group B. And so if I had a second light, it would go to 1/128th power in Group B. Let's pop this guy over here. Let's put him in Group B. And if you look there, now it matches my light, or my controller. Again, make those adjustments. It'll do what it's told. There we go. We're good to go there. One thing that you want to always do, just so that you have better reliability, go into your menu, scroll down to where you get to the distance setting. Right there, and the default is 1 to 100 meters. We want to go ahead and change that to 0 to 30 meters. That allows us to operate in close range mode, and it gives you better reliability when you're fairly close to your light. If you wind up shooting and you need that extra distance, say you need to be able to shoot it 300 feet away from your light, you'll just go in and you'll change that back to 1 to 100 meters. But this right here, 0 to 30, that's typically going to be your best place to go and operate for the vast majority of what you're going to be doing. Anyway, hope that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know.